Are you looking for a recipe that enriches your milk supply? This might be the recipe you like. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. About 5 months ago, I made a video about a pregnancy tea recipe and other things I like to prepare for birth. I will post a link in the description box if you want to watch that. Today I want to share with you the tea recipe that helped me to enrich my milk supply so my baby can gain healthy weight. With my first baby, I had to nurse very frequently because my milk supply wasn't that rich, and even during the night I had to nurse very often. But once I learned about this recipe with my second child, everything changed. I didn't have to nurse that often, and also I could sleep during the night. Once my baby turned 3 months, she was sleeping through the night and still gaining 1 kilo a month, so very healthy and happy. For the bulk tea recipe, I use a funnel, a 1-liter jar, 1/4 cup, and a half a cup. The half a cup is 1 part and the 1/4 cup is half a part. So I start with 1 part or half a cup nettle, 1 part or half a cup alfalfa leaf, and 3 parts or 1.5 cup of raspberry leaf tea. I push it a little bit down so everything fits nicely in there, and then I use half a part or 1/4 cup of marshmallow root tea. And this is what makes the milk really rich, like whipping cream. I push it a little bit in there so I can take out the funnel. And here you can see all the herbs. There at the bottom is the nettle, alfalfa, raspberry leaf, and marshmallow root. I close the lid tight and shake it very well to combine all the herbs. This bulk herb supply lasts for quite a while, so I don't have to mix everything every day. I set at least 1 liter of water to boil. Then I take another jar and remove all the things that I don't need right now. I take 2 heaping tablespoons of the herbs. I cover the herbs with 1 liter hot boiled water. This tea is what helps me, so I'm just sharing my experience. I'm not sure if it helps everyone, but it sure helped me. You might want to clarify with your health provider first, so that's up to you. I like my tea sweet, so I add some honey. I stir it well so the honey melts in there. Then I cover it a little bit and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Then I use my favorite cup and a strainer. I stir the tea one more time and then strain it through the strainer into my cup. here's my tea. This is the color and tastes like herbal tea. The marshmallow root tastes sweet, so it's a little sweeter. The alfalfa is very good for a good milk supply. The tea altogether is very good for me and my baby. I drink the tea with all of my babies except the first one, and even my doctor was surprised how fast my babies gained weight and were very healthy and happy. I hope this video inspired you if you needed this information right now, or maybe you know somebody who would take use of this information. You're welcome to share. Please like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.